In this video, in few minutes, I'm going to show you how to replace the side front bumper lens on your favorite Honda CR-V. As you can see on the passenger side, I have a broken side lens. Let's replace it. I have a replacement side lens, came from Rock Auto, $12, not that bad. Let's get it installed and have a better looking Honda CR-V first gen. Here we go. Brand new, beautiful looking, shiny side lens. Okay, as you can see, there is only one hole for the mounting screw and it will fit perfectly fine. Okay, let's turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. That way we'll have enough room to get to the inner part of the bumper. Stubby Phillips screwdriver, one Phillips screw at the top and one clip to remove as well. Let's pop that bumper part and wheel liner and take a look inside. Here we go. As you can see, there is a retainer clip and a screw. Short chunk of 2x4 will help me to keep a bumper pried out and I can get to that screw with my hands. Okay, let's remove old one. As you can see, it's breaking. This one's probably came from the factory. One short Phillips screw at the back and a retainer clip. We're going to reuse that screw and metal retainer clip. Let's undo them. I have more Honda CR-V videos on my channel. I will put a playlist down in the description under the video. Check it out, and as you can see, they're identical. Nice. CR-V will look a little bit better, and there's an alignment pin. As you can see, this retainer clip will only fit in one direction, something like that. Perfect. Okay, now we're ready to install the new part. Let's place the new side lens in the bumper, get it all fit. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to install retaining clip, just enough room to get behind with a hand. Do it properly. You have to remove the bumper PH2 Phillips bit and a set of vice grips. That's what we need to get that screw tied it up. Okay, now my tool is ready and I'm going to put a screw by hand and tie it much as possible. As you can see, I already halfway. Now I'm going and finish tightening that short Phillips screw with my vice grips, and yeah, easy enough. It took me roughly 5 minutes to get it tight and it looks beautiful. Yeah guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. Keep your old reliable Honda CR-V on the road and this vehicle won't ever let you down. Take care, see you soon.